Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a quick video on replacing the blower motor in a 2012 Ford Fusion. It's actually a fairly simple process. So the reason I'm going to do this is because, as you might be able to hear, there's a chirping sound coming from the blower at low speeds. So according to the internet, it could be one of two things. Supposedly there can be a plastic tab inside the housing that is rubbing on. I already pulled the motor out, checked that, and there's nothing inside. And just having the motor hanging out and turning it on, it's still chirping. So it's the motor itself. So this is the replacement motor. That's the information on it. This is what it looks like. It is a MM-1091, and I got a deal on this on eBay. It was about $85 for the what should be OEM, and they usually run about $130 from what I found online for OEM. You can get them as cheap as about $40 for an aftermarket. So it's pretty simple to change out. Let me turn it off. And the one trick I'm going to show you, if I figure out how my phone does this. Alright, so what I did is I put the phone in forward-facing camera mode, and I'm just laying it on the floor mat so I can see the thing, because it's really an awkward angle any other way I've found. You could probably use a mirror for this, but it's a 7/32 bit. You just kind of have to get under there and kind of guide it with the camera. It's a little awkward doing upside down. And just the three. And just come straight down. Here, I'm going to turn it on so you can hear it. That is still chirping. So then it's just a matter of disconnecting the wire. You just push the little tab in and it pops right out. And we'll plug the new one in. And we'll confirm that it doesn't chirp before we put it in. Perfect. So then, just a matter of guiding it back in and lining it up. Yeah, I'm doing this pretty much all by just looking in the camera here. all tight. And we'll do a final check. Here we go, nice and quiet. Alright, so thanks for watching, everyone.